Okay, welcome back everybody. It is Tuesday, so it's just me. No Abby today. We got mail. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know what just fell on the floor, but something did. Let's see what we got. New forged Model T transmission shaft. This shaft is forged from 4140. Heat treated to, I don't know what any of that means. Key is in the keyway. New key may be too tight. Like this end. Yep. Nothing fits out of the box. That's basically what that says. We're going to get to this. This was Abby from Best Arc, or Abby from Salatu, I don't know. I guess Best Arc owns this company, so we're going to get to that in the future. But let's see what we got here. Because I'm excited. I'm excited because this is a first for me. Absolute first for me. To be able to, something biting me. To be able to have one of these in the shop is I'm as excited as I was for the new crankshafts when Build-A-Bats came out with that. Check that out. I guess that's it. Alright, I'll pack that up. Hopefully I didn't just dox myself again. Check it out. Now I thought, and I didn't order this. In fact, I'm going to call the guy and see what he says, but I thought we were going to get matching triple gears, but we didn't. And we didn't get the gear. I told him we need everything. This is mangled. So I'm going to have to call, see if we can get the rest of this. But let's take a look at what we got so far. If I can get it out of the plastic. He did a good job wrapping this. I told him we need everything for the transmission. And we got some. So look at that. That ain't right. There we go. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Now let's check out the slop. Oh man, that is nice. Look at that. That is awesome. Brand new transmission. Is this supposed to have lugs? Oh, I think we got to buy some lugs for this. This looks like the style. It looks like the 26, 27 style. Try not to smash my fingers. This looks like it's going to need the clutch lugs out of a 26, 27, so I'll have to add that to the order as well. We're still gathering here, but shame to put those old worn out gears on a brand new set of gears. But I'll call him and see what he says. If he recommends new gears on these, then have a chat with the customer, but we'll see what he says. I definitely need that. I need that gear. That was most of the whole point of this was to get that new top gear. So that's got a serial number on it. Or is that a part number? HT3331F, okay. Yeah, and I came out here wearing my good clothes and immediately splashed myself with grease. I wasn't off to a good start here, but look at that thing of beauty. I also wanted to show you, just real quick, this thing right here. You saw me play with the other one with the kids, doing trying to keep everything for this engine on this cart, and I'm running out of room again. But check this out. This is cool as can be. Bloop. Gone. Gone. This is so much easier. Man, I wished I'd had one of these 20 years ago. Look at that. How awesome is that? Bloop. Trying to find the... I guess it kind of finds the hole by itself. That one might not go because it's in the head. Oh! Wow. How awesome is that? Okay. Now that I know what was in the box, I'm going to have to go make a phone call. See if we can get the rest of the bits we need for that. And that's going to be it for today. Still gathering parts. We got more parts coming on Thursday, I think. Hopefully the pistons will show up so I can take that block in to be bored. And for those that don't know, the reason that I take the blocks in to be bored is because I do not have room in here for the machines required to do that, nor do I have the power to run them or the money to buy them. So I sub it out. Cost me a couple $100 instead of $500,000. So, some might say that's good business sense, but others may disagree. Alright. That's awesome. There's the old one. It's got a crack in it. You hear the difference? Let me shed a little more light on this. When you have something that is not cracked and it's made out of metal, it will ring like a bell. Hopefully that came across. When you have something that is cracked, it will thump. Not cracked? Hear the ring? So, at least that one. That one's on the table, it doesn't count. I think the clutch is okay on that one. But this reverse drum, no bueno. Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Come back. We got birds in here now. We got flies. We got all kinds of stuff going on. And I need to go gather more parts. So, see you in the next one.